Hey man, I'm still alive. So today, not a massive amount of updates because I've kind of settled into kind of the day-to-day, average week. Got a schedule and all that, so it means that I've kind of found a bit of a rhythm now. So the only thing that I did this week was visit a really interesting arcade. So that'll be coming up, but the arcade looks very interesting, very cool feel, but it also has some fairly interesting history behind it, so I'm going to do my best to talk about that. So today I'm off to Kawasaki Arcade. It's built in the style of the Kowloon Walled City. It's pretty interesting actually. I've got a shot of it just to say. I've got to just take some video while I'm stood still because the atmosphere in here is incredible. Like, thing, like so Blade Runner, so cyberpunk, it's amazing. I've actually got like TV playing in that little apartment. So the amount of details, like the advertisements that are just hanging on the wall, like advertising all sorts. Just you got launch out on the line. Like it's incredible. So Kawasaki Warehouse owes its unique style to a city in Hong Kong from the 1950s by the name of Kowloon Walled City. Now, this started off life as a military outpost in Hong Kong, which was eventually taken over by the British. And essentially they had a hands-off policy. They didn't really do anything with it. So after World War II, Chinese refugees kind of squatted in there en masse, and because the British government didn't really want to do anything with it, and because it was kind of in British territory, it kind of went entirely unchecked. And as it went entirely unchecked, this gave rise to a lot of crime gangs taking control of it, back alley doctors moving in, and sort of rampant building all over the place. Now, because it couldn't really move out and build outwards, it ended up moving upwards. So many of the structures were sort of 13 to 14 stories tall, with the rooftops being kind of important places for meetings. But because they had such a confined space, with some of the streets only being like 2 meters wide, you had the ground floor, the bottom layers, not getting all that much sunlight, which then kind of gave you all of the sort of neon illumination aesthetic that Kawasaki Warehouse has tried to replicate, along with, you know, many of the sort of advertisements and different accoutrement from the period. Now, some people might be thinking that they want to go and visit this Kowloon walled city, but unfortunately it was demolished in 1994 and is now a very lovely park. So, thank you for watching today. Again, if you liked it, then do all the good stuff, like, share, subscribe, everything down there. And yeah, hopefully see you again in another week. Just one last clip. Well, I'll let it speak for itself.